welcome back to Imperial. I'm Renee. I'm here with Corey. Corey, can you tell us what we have here?
We have a 2022 International MV Series. It's got the Cummins B 6.7 liter 300 horsepower motor, Allison automatic, 2500 RDS. It's a 2500 gallon tank, aluminum, welded inside and out. We have a NVE Challenger 607 max package here, around the 350 CFM range. It's all bolt and go. Everything's on one side of the truck. Easy to drain everything and maintain everything all at once. Standard, we got a 36-inch wide, 24 by 24 ProTech toolbox, aluminum box, aluminum doors. Pretty standard package on our stock units.
And this truck is for sale, correct?
This truck is available, yes.
You can buy this truck today. You call us right now.
Then we get to the back and it's got standard 3 poly sight eyes in it, 6-inch discharge, 4-inch intake. We can add heat jackets or even another intake if you needed it. If you wanted a riser pipe on the inside, we could also do that. This one here is just cut flush. Pipe goes in the tank about a 1/2 inch, just enough to get a good weld on the inside, so you can do back flushing with it. Everything's all LED lights, 2 work lights on top, clearance lights, powder coated bumper, full length hose trays, and we have a lot of room on the passenger side if you need any additional toolboxes, a little water tank, something like that.
What else could they put other than toolboxes or a water tank?
You could do like a lid, riser rack, whatever you seem to want to carry, shovel holders. You would have a hard time getting a jetter in here because it does have a horizontal exhaust. So there's some direct interference to run another drive shaft PTO. You could possibly do it hydraulic, but this one here is probably not set up so great if you did want to add a jetter.
And what is the price on this unit?
This unit is going for $113,885, and it's actually one of only 2 trucks we have available on the ground right now. We have plenty more coming out behind it, but they're moving quick this year.
So if you're interested in getting a septic unit from us, go ahead and give us a call at 800-558-2945.
Yep, my extension is 426 if you want to talk to me about it.
Make sure to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel and follow us. We update weekly.